3 foods you must eat before every single workout. The last food will unlock performance levels you never thought possible. Number 1, banana with almond butter. Fast-acting carbs for immediate energy, plus healthy fats that sustain you through your entire session while preventing muscle cramps. Number 2, Greek yogurt with honey. It provides whey and casein proteins to fuel your muscles, while honey creates an insulin spike that drives nutrients directly into muscle cells. Number 3, steel-cut oat with blueberries. Sustained energy that prevents mid-workout crashes, while antioxidants improve oxygen delivery to muscles by 15%. Eat these 30 to 45 minutes before training for explosive energy, increased endurance, and faster recovery that turns every workout into a muscle-building masterpiece.